In this video I will discuss about 15-minute walking exercises to lose belly fat, daily routine. Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about 15-minute walking exercises to help you lose belly fat and get fit. So let's dive right in. First up, we have the zigzag walk. Simply put, walk from one side to the other, creating a zigzag pattern. This is great for toning your legs and glutes. Next, try walking at a 45-degree angle. Start at the edge of your driveway and make your way to the street. This exercise is fantastic for targeting your inner thighs and hips. Now, let's do some ladder work. Start at one end of the driveway and make your way to the other end by drawing a line on the ground. This is perfect for working on your cardiovascular health. Next, we have high knees. Lift your knees up to your chest as you walk and alternate between walking and jogging at a slow pace. This exercise will help boost your metabolism and increase the number of calories you burn while walking. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout map, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to main topic. Finally, give some squats a try while walking downhill at a moderate pace with two hands behind your head, holding them there for 10 seconds upon reaching the bottom. Squats are an excellent way to tone your legs and glutes, but be careful not to overdo it. Remember, safety first. That's it for today's workout tips. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fitness advice and routines. Until next time.